One of the challenges for researchers, like me, is to validate the experimental AI systems, components, workflows, ECT. I use this method sometimes. I send the same prompt to QWEN, GROK, Chat, and the system I have developed, and I compare all of the responses. What are some additional and different AI learning methodologies? i.e. reinforcement learning, transfer learning, federated learning, computational learning, mixed into architecture for automated training workflow feature strategies.